cheolchuidim. Gach blian bíon ceolchuidim mór siúl sa hala. Sheinimid ceol. Canamid áráin le chéile. Déanamid drama. Bíon slua mór ag an ceolchuidim. Bíon an áit dubh le daoine. Bíon sport agus scléipeagan. Bánimid an taine bheits an ceolchuidim.
Is me se fearin ceol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol. Canam áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canan tú áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canan sé áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canan sí áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canamid áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canan sibh áran gach lá.
Is me se fearin cheol, cúnaí man aice leat is sinnam ceol.
Canan siad áran gach lá.
Bí ag scríobh.
Bíon an caisleán dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an sépéal dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an tráid dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an ficteorlan dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an tolmharaga dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an circus dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an siopa ceol dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bíon an hala dubh le daoine.
Rós.
Bí ag scríobh.
Simna focal Shas agus Amit Shin Shasamit.
So here we can see on day 2 that the root word, the last vowel in the root word is in Shas is A. So our ending for we stand up every day, or we are standing up, is Amid, A-I-M-I-D. Because our rule quail agus quail, lahan agus lahan. The last vowel in the word is A-O-U. Your ending will have to start with an A-O or U. Okay, so Shas Amid, we stand up every day, or you could say we are standing up. Shas, A-I-M-I-D.
Tau Tog agus Amit Shin Togamid.
So again, A-I-M-I-D, T, Father G. We take, when we are taking, or we take every day.
Tau Dún agus Aimsire sin dúnamid.
So we are closing, or we close every day. So these are all endings for Aimsire Láithreach.
Me all. Tau. Glan agus Aimsire sin glanamid.
Aimsire Láithreach. Every day. Gach lá. For we, the ending is AIMID or IMID, depending on the root word. So here we have glanamid. We are cleaning, or we clean.
Me
We
all.
clean every day.
Me all. Tau. Dan agus Aimsire sin dánamid.
We are doing. We are making.
Tau. Can agus Aimsire sin canamid. Tau.
August, here we see. So it's AIMID for we are singing here. Canim, I sing. Canan two, Canan she, Canan sheed, Canamid, we are singing. Canan shiv and Canan sheed. And let's look at the brithra now.
Spríle brithre. Canan, canan tú, canan sé, canan sí, canamid, canan shiv, canan siad,
So here.
canan,
So,
bon tríola as,
no, capital letter.
bon tríola as,
The last vowel is A in the root word, so it's going to be AIM for I sing. I sing. Then we have Canon 2. So isn't it going on? So it's freezing on me here. So here we'll have Canem, then Canan 2, Canan she, Canan she, Canamid, AIMID, Canan shiv, and Canan sheed. Okay. We'll go on to the next. So that's Brila Brihra. Our endings will be Canan, CANANN, Canan 2, CANANN, she, Canan, CANANN, she. Then here we'll have Canamid, CANAIMID. We are singing. Canan shiv, CANANNSIBH. And then Canan sheed, CANANNSIAD. So that's frozen on me there now, but you'll be able to do it in your books. Here we probably have, yes, so here we have Canem, Canan 2, Canan she, Canan sheed, Canamid, Canan shiv, Canan sheed. See, quail, lahan, agus lahan. So here we have A in the root word, AIM for me, ANN for to, she. AIMID is the ending for shin, us, we are doing it. Conan shiv for you, plural, and Conan sheed.
Conan, Conan tu, Conan she, Conan she, Conamid, Conan shiv, Conan shead.
So I wonder if you could try and write out those.
Hey, Rose.
Okay. So here we're working on the gachla, Aimsire Láthreach.